Good morning to our Honorable MD Sir, respected directors, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Aradhya Kaur, and I, Aradhya Chabra, on the behalf of our class and class teacher, warmly welcome all the parents. We are truly delighted for your presence here. Today, we are gathered here to explore a highly fascinating and a relevant topic called RBI and price control. The Reserve Bank of India, commonly known as RBI, plays an important role in maintaining the economic stability of our country, from controlling inflation, managing interest rates, and ensuring the smooth functioning of our banks. The RBI works continuously for the welfare of both the consumers and the nation. In today's changing world where prices of essential goods often rise due to global situations, RBI's policy helps in balancing the economy and protects the common people from the burden of excessive inflation. We hope that through today's presentation, everyone will understand how RBI acts as the backbone of our banking system, contributes towards price control and economic stability. So now, with great enthusiasm and respect, let us begin our annual presentation. Let's start our morning with a beautiful prayer. So now I invite Asma and Athiraj for the prayer.
So now, please stand up and put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the prayer. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments. By narrow domestic walls. Where the words come out from the depth of truth. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Into ever-widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. Amen. A meaningful thought in the morning can change the way we think and act. So now I would like to invite Amreen for the thought of the day.
The RBI stands as the backbone of India's economy, balancing growth, stability, and prosperity for all. I repeat my thought. The RBI stands as the backbone of India's economy, balancing growth, stability, and prosperity for all. Thank you.
Behind every stable economy lies a strong financial system. Let us now explore the role of Reserve Bank of India in maintaining the price stability through an insightful group discussion.
The Reserve Bank of India is India's central bank and the regulatory organization for the Indian banking system and the Indian currency. The RBI was founded on 1st of April 1935 with its headquarters in Kolkata, which later shifted to Mumbai. The RBI governor is the chief executive authority of RBI and is responsible for formulating and implementing the monetary of India. Mr. Sanjay Malhotra is the governor of RBI.
Main functions of RBI. RBI is responsible for issuing currency. RBI maintains financial stability in the country. It controls inflation and supports economic growth. RBI manages currency circulation and foreign exchange reserves. It also protects customers by regulating banks properly. Its decisions affect loans, savings, and market prices.
RBI follows the systematic process to control the economy. First, it studies inflation, market demands, and financial conditions. Then, experts and monetary policy committee discuss the solutions. After analysis, RBI changes interest rates and banking policies. Banks follow these rules and economy gradually responds.
Repo rate is the interest rate at which RBI gives loans to banks. When inflation rises, RBI increases the repo rate. Banks then increase interest rate of customers. People borrow less money and spending decreases. As demand reduces, prices slowly become stable.
Gross repo rate is the rate at which RBI borrows money from other banks. When RBI increases this amount, banks deposit more money with RBI This reduces excess money circulation in the market. Less money in the market helps control inflation. This process maintains economic balance.
CRR and SLR banks must keep part of their money reserve. This reserve is called CRR and SLR. If RBI increases these reserves, banks can give fewer loans. Less spending means controlled spending in the economy. Thus, RBI manages inflation through banking regulations.
During festivals, people spend more money on shopping and travel. Sometimes this increases demands and rises price quickly. RBI may increase interest rates to control excess spending. As borrowing reduces, prices slowly return to normal. This is a real-life example of RBI's price control process.
During COVID-19 pandemic, RBI supported Indian economy strongly. It reduced the interest rate so businesses could take loans easily. People received financial relief during difficult times. The banks guided the customers and small businesses. RBI helped India recover after the crisis.
RBI is very important for economic stability. It ensures safe banking and stable prices in the market. Without RBI, inflation and financial problems could increase rapidly. It protects the value of Indian currency and public savings. A strong RBI creates confidence among citizens and investors.
RBI supports digital banking and online payments. UPI and online transactions work under RBI regulations. RBI ensures secure system citizens for payment.
It spreads awareness against cyber fraud and online scams. Digital banking has made transactions more easier and faster.
RBI faces many challenges in today's world. Inflation, unemployment, cybercrime, and global crises affect the economy. Fuel price increases and international conflicts also create pressure. Sometimes controlling inflation may slow economic growth. Balancing growth and price stability is a difficult task.
RBI policies directly affect common citizens. Home loans, education loans, and saving trusts depend on RBI decisions. If interest rate increases, EMIs also increase.
When inflation is controlled, people can manage their expenses better. Thus, RBI influences our daily life in many ways.
From bank to business and market to household, RBI impact everyone. A systematic process aimed to maintain economic discipline in the country. Price control is necessary for the welfare of the society.
RBI works continuously to maintain financial condition in India. Its role become more important during the time of economic emergencies.
To conclude, RBI is not just a bank, it is the backbone of India's economy. It controls inflation, manages bank, and protects financial stability.
A balanced economy provides better opportunities and a better future for its citizens. When RBI works effectively, the whole nation progresses smoothly. Thank you, and remember, a strong economy begins with a strong RBI.
Classical dance is the soul of Indian culture, where every movement speaks the language of tradition and grace. Now, presenting a beautiful classical dance performance by our talented students.
राम रास रचाओ मुरारी ओ मुरारी कैन मन बसो मंगल थोड़ी सुरतिया श्याम रंगीन ओ मोरे गिरधर आज सुनो बनवारी आज सुनो बनवारी आज सुनो बनवारी माँ के बिहारी श्याम रंगीन ओ मोरे गिरधर आज सुनो बनवारी आज सुनो बनवारी आज सुनो
Expressions are best expressed through actions rather than words. So I now invite some students of my class to present a meaningful skill.
Scene 1, Classroom Discussion. Good morning everyone. Today's classroom discussion is about a very important topic, the role of RBI and price control. Nowadays prices of food, transport, petrol and school items are increasing. But who controls these prices? Let us find out.
Why is everyone looking so serious today?
Ma'am, everything has become expensive. Even vegetables and milk prices are rising daily.
Yes, ma'am, my father is a farmer. Fertilizer and fuel prices have also increased too.
And my parents say home expenses are becoming difficult to manage.
That increase in price is called inflation. Today we will understand how the Reserve Bank of India, also known as RBI, controls inflation and maintains financial stability.
Ma'am, what exactly is RBI?
Scene 2, Understanding RBI. RBI is the Reserve Bank of India. It is known as the Banks of Bank. It controls the flow of money in the economy and maintains stable prices. The RBI plays a major role in balancing inflation and economic growth.
But ma'am, how does RBI reduce inflation?
Very good question. For such situations, RBI uses repo rates. When inflation rises too much, RBI increases the repo rate. Then banks get loan at high interest rates and lend less money to people.
That means people spend less money in India.
Exactly. Less spending reduces demand and price slowly come under control.
Scene 3. Real life examples.
And recently, food price increased too because of heavy rain and transport costs.
Correct. Inflation can happen due to many reasons. Poor monsoon, high demand, international conflicts, rising fuel prices. But RBI tries to control excessive amount of money in the economy.
My father works in a bank. He said when RBI changes repo rate, bank loans and EMIs also changes.
Correct. Home loans, car loans, business loans become expensive and repo rate increases.
Scene 4. Reporter interviews RBI governor.
Students, to understand RBI better, let us watch a special interview with the RBI governor. Good morning, sir. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to speak with the young citizens of India.
So, people are worried because prices are increasing. What is RBI doing to control inflation?
Our main responsibility is to maintain inflation near 4% and ensure economic stability. We use monetary policies like repo rate change to control excess money flow in the economy.
So, many people ask why RBI does not increase interest rate very sharply to stop inflation quickly.
Because extremely high interest rate can slow businesses, reduce investment and increase unemployment. RBI always tries to maintain a balance between inflation control and economic growth.
So, RBI supports both consumers and industries?
Absolutely. Stable prices help families manage expenses and also help businesses to grow steadily.
Thank you, sir, for explaining such an important topic.
Thank you. Responsible financial policies creates a stronger nation.
Scene 5. Other RBI tools.
RBI uses other tools like CRR, cash reserve ratio, SLR, statutory liquidity ratio, open market operation. These tools control how much money a bank can lend.
So RBI controls economy indirectly.
Yes, RBI cannot directly fix vegetable prices. It controls the money supply and demand in the economy.
Scene 6. Impact on common people. Inflation affects everyone differently.
Shopkeepers face lower sales when prices rise.
Farmer suffers when production cost increases.
Bank depends on RBI policies.
And common families struggle with daily expenses.
That is why price control is important for every citizen.
Final conclusion. A strong economy needs controlled inflation and balanced growth.
RBI protects the economy through monetary policies and financial stability.
Today we learned that RBI is not just a bank, it's the backbone of India's economy. Stable prices, strong nation, RBI supports the foundation. Thank you. Now presenting a beautiful Hindi poem.
कीमत चाहे बढ़ जाए, हिम्मत कभी ना झुक पाए।
मेहनत का दीप जलाकर हर अंधेरा दूर भगाएं।
घर घर में कौशल आए, हर हाथ रोजगार पाए।
छोटा काम बड़ा बन जाए, भारत आगे बढ़ता जाए।
जब बाजार में हलचल होती, महंगाई तेजी से बढ़ती,
तब आरबीआई कदम बढ़ाकर अर्थव्यवस्था को संभालता,
बैंकों को सही दिशा दिखाती, नई नीतियां रोज बनाती,
देश की आर्थिक गाड़ी को संतुलन से आगे बढ़ाती।
आओ मिलकर शपथ ले लें, मेहनत से सपनों को बुने। आओ मिलकर शपथ ले लें, मेहनत से सपनों को बुने।
सकारात्मकता साथ निभाए, आत्मनिर्भर भारत मुस्कुराए। सकारात्मक
साथ निभाए, आत्मनिर्भर भारत मुस्कुराए। धन्यवाद।
Poetry is the voice of feeling expressed through words. So now get ready for a wonderful English poem presentation. Please welcome Aradhya Negi and Anuradha Chabra from class 9th.
A steady hand, a trusted guide, with doors of finance open wide. On Main Street stands a watchful eye to make our economic spirits high. When prices rise and things get dear, it steps right into calmer fear. It tames inflation, brings relief, and turns our budget stress to relief.
As the great bank of bank it stands, guiding the money through our hands. It checks the vaults, it sets the rule. A helpful guide, a trusted tool. From paper notes to screens that gleam, it made a modern, cashless dream. With instant clicks and lightning speeds, our digital payment meets our needs. Through every storm it stands so tall, a shield that protects us one and all. It keeps our currency safe and free to build a strong economy. Thank you.
Music has power, touch every heart. Now it's time for melodious Hindi song performance by Arjun and Anu.
Song makes every moment more special and memorable. Now enjoy an amazing English song performance by Aruhi.
Miles
brighten the soul. So get ready to enjoy an enchanting instrumental performance by our classmates.
witness a wonderful dance performance by our talented students.